let's discuss about the climate of Saudi Arabia. Dear students, Saudi Arabia has a harsh climate. It has extremely hot and dry climate with little or no rainfall. It has extremely hot and dry climate with little or no rainfall. The rainfall is very less here. The average rainfall is only 25 centimeters. Saudi Arabia has hot and dry climate and with little or no rainfall. Sometimes there is very less rainfall and sometimes there is no rainfall at all, and the average rainfall is only 25 centimeters, which is not enough for plants and trees to grow. In summer season, the days are very hot and the nights are cool, and this is due to the nature of sand. It is due to the nature of sand. The nature of sand is that it gets heated up very fast and also cools down very fast. During the daytime, due to heat of the sand gets heated up very fast, which makes the days hot, and when it cools down in the evening, it makes the nights cool. There is huge difference between the temperature of day and night in the desert region. During the daytime the sand is very hot that it's become very difficult for the people living here to go out of their houses. During the daytime the sand is so hot that it becomes too difficult for the people to go out of their houses, or you can say to move out of their houses even during the daytime. The average, or you can say the maximum temperature in summer season is 52 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature is 52 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum temperature in the summer season, and this is due to nature of sand. The sand gets heated up very fast and it also cools down very fast. When it gets heated up during the daytime, it makes the days hot, and when it cools down in the evening, it makes the nights cool. And there is huge difference between the day and the night temperature in the desert region. The maximum temperature in the desert region is 52 degrees Celsius. In winters, the days are warm and the nights are very cool. The days are warm and the nights are very cool. Sandstorms are a common feature in the desert region. Sandstorms are a common feature in the desert region. They appear all of a sudden and makes the sky hazy. They come all of a sudden, or you can say they appear all of a sudden and makes the sky hazy. Hazy means that condition in which nothing is visible. We can't see, we are not able to see anything. That is the meaning of hazy. Right? So, sandstorms are a common feature in the desert region and they appear all of a sudden, which makes the sky hazy. Strong winds blow during the daytime, which carry sand with them from one place to another. Strong winds blow. When the sandstorms come, what happens? Strong winds blow and they carry sand from one place to another, which is called shifting of sand dunes. Which is called shifting of sand dunes. So sandstorms are very common in the desert region. They appear all of a sudden. There is acute shortage of water here as there is no river which flows through the country. So this is all about the climate of Saudi Arabia.